Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Today we've got something very exciting for me anyway. I've bought some heavy duty workshop equipment to go with my hoists, and this is all part of setting up my car workshop at home in my shed that you can see in the background there. I've just come back from the trucking depot and this is what I picked up. Let's have a closer look at what we've got. This video will stretch over a few days because it's night time nearly now. It's going dark. I'm just going to try and get these off the trailer and put them inside the shed, and then I've got to work tomorrow, and so this will take a few days to film the video on what's in these two boxes. But let's walk over there, check out what we've got, and we'll see how we go. So the first box contains a wheel balancer, and obviously, like all great products, it's made in China. And the second box contains a professional tyre changer. So we'll leave it at that for now. I'm going to get these off the trailer and into the shed just in case it rains, or it doesn't look like rain, but you never know. And at least in the shed I know they're safe. It's been a few days since I received my delivery of my tyre changer and wheel balancer, and I have filmed some videos on the unboxing and the setup of those machines, and I still have to edit those videos. I will edit those videos and upload them very shortly. They should be up in the next week or two, I guess, depending on how busy I get with other things. Now let's answer some of the questions that people will have about why I bought this stuff. Now, to start off, it's obviously not for everyone. I've got quite a big shed that we're in now, and I've got plenty of space. Now, we've also got a lot of cars within our family. We've got 11 cars and 3 trailers in our immediate family. So there's a lot of wheel changing, tyre changing, different tyres, etc. going on. And these days, tyres can be bought online a lot cheaper than what you get them at a tyre place. And for me, it's convenience. For me to get to the closest tyre shop is an hour's round trip. It's at least half an hour there, 40 minutes, and the same coming back. Now, if I want to change a tyre, I'm going to have to drive all the way out there, give it to them. A lot of times I will say, "Oh, leave it with me, I'll get to it sometime and I'll give you a call when it's done." So then I'll drive home again. I'll get home, he rings me going, "Oh, your tyre's ready." I'll drive back, etc, etc. Okay, you can imagine what that's like. So it's the convenience factor, but it's also the money factor. My son's car needed 2 new tyres to pass his roadworthy inspection, so he hasn't got a lot of money to waste. So he went and bought 2 tyres off Facebook Marketplace. They were brand new tyres, and they were, I think, $50 each for his Ford Falcon. So we got 2 tyres for $100. Now the problem we had was we had to get them put onto rims. So tyre places now, I'm not sure if it's the same everywhere, tyre places now where I live in regional New South Wales charge a minimum of $50 to fit and balance a tyre. So we spend an extra $100 to fit 2 tyres. So then it wasn't really that much of a saving anymore. And this is what tyre places are doing. A lot of people are buying tyres online fairly cheaply. But then the tyre places aren't making their markup. So they're starting to charge you big dollars to fit and balance tyres. And look, I'm not ragging on them. They've got to make a living. They've got rent to pay. They've got wages to pay. They've got electricity to pay. Look, I know why they're doing it. But I don't want to be part of that. I don't want to be shelling out $200 to get 4 tyres fitted to my trailer before I pay for the tyres. That's ridiculous. It's crazy. And when you've got 3 trailers and 11 cars that all need tyres at various times, that's a lot of money at $50 a tyre. Now, I've written down some numbers here just I'm happy to let you know how much I paid for each thing, and also how you get a discount for buying both of them together, okay? So the tyre changer is $2,000. It's actually $1,990. And the wheel balancer is $1,690, which comes to $3,680. But if you buy both of them together, you save $580. So I paid $3,100 for the tyre changer and the wheel balancer together. So let's just say $3,000 for the sake of it. Now, since I've had it, because these videos are a little bit behind all the time because I've got to edit them and do everything else and upload them. In the short time that I've had the tyre changer, I've already fitted 8 tyres at $50 each, which is $400 in fitting fees that I've saved. So out of the $3,100, I have already saved myself $400 in fitting fees on tyres. And the savings are actually a lot bigger than that, which I will get into in another video. Like literally the next video after this one that I'll record, I will be getting into why the savings are actually way bigger than that. The saving is probably closer to $800 or $1,000 that I've already had in the first couple of weeks of owning this equipment. Now the final thing is why I bought it. After I've used it for a few years and saved all this money, I've still got the equipment. In 5 years time or in 10 years time, if I don't want to do this anymore, or I'm downsizing and getting rid of all this and going into a retirement home for old people, I still have the equipment to sell. I'll still get $2,000 for it in 10 years time, probably more, because things get more expensive. So equipment like this that I've now paid $3,000 for, in 5 years time that equipment will be selling for $4,000 or $5,000. So second-hand equipment will sell for $3,000. So for me, buying this equipment has mainly been a financial and a convenience decision. Now the thing is, I paid for this equipment. If you don't have the money and you've got to get a loan to buy this stuff, probably not a good idea. But for me to have $3,000 sitting in the bank, or to buy this equipment that's in my workshop and it saves me money, there's no way that $3,000 would have earned me $800 in interest in 4 weeks. But that $3,000 has already earned me, and I'll get into this more in the next video, I reckon about $1,000. Honestly, I think in a year, for me personally, this would have paid for itself. Anything after that will be free. Within the week, I'll be uploading another video on why free tyre fitting is a scam. So if you want to see that video and be alerted when it gets uploaded, subscribe to my channel. Now, if you have any questions about anything you saw that I've said today, or you disagree with anything I've said, do me a favour. Just leave a comment down below. I will respond to all comments and I will answer all your questions if you have any. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.